Hello and welcome to video number 3 in the lesson regarding members module and managing memberships and connections and following other people, other members, and your own followers throughout the app, and how that integrates with other modules and interacts with different features inside the platform. I've gone ahead and I've switched to my other member profile here, which is my personal profile other than admin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the activity feed here to show you the content reporting. Okay, so since admin is an administrator, I cannot report content for the admin, and any other type of content that I do want to report, there will be an option to do so either by tapping the 3 dots at the bottom of a post and clicking on the report icon. And then from here, you can give a reason why you're reporting it and submit it to the administrators of the network. We encourage things like free speech and all of your rights on the platform. And we encourage you to add this to your app and make sure that it's available for users to take advantage of fully. Because when you go to publish to the App Store, they're very strict about being able to use this. And as you can see here, anywhere there's a flag for the report button, you can do that as well on comments, etc. But it helps to create a not necessarily safe environment, but a better user experience when there's not things like, spam, pornography, violence, things like that need to be removed so that your users can feel like they're having a good experience on your platform instead of a bad one. It's very important. And I know there's other platforms out there that champion no moderation whatsoever. And I know there's a push for that right now in social, but I think that's why we decided with Decyphor and RisePage to not be social media, but to rather be social networking. Because our goal is for you to create the media apps, not for us to be a media app. We are giving you the tools to create whatever apps you want. And as an example, we can show you here utilizing the white labels within the network. Actually, I need to sign out here and log back in as admin. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out. I'm going to kill that, open this back up, and log in as admin. Did I get that? Oh, wrong password. So what we can do is, as you log in here, you can see I'm going to go ahead and log into the main Decyphor app first so that my notifications come from there. And then I'm going to go and switch my site. You can create your own media apps, such as the video app. And from the video app, we've decided to say, okay, here are the featured videos that are available, but you can go ahead and explore comedy. And within comedy, we have different links for different things, such as TikTok, which automatically plays when you scroll to the content. Twitter, if you go and load more, it will show you exactly what's going on based on the content that you're trying to share. So we're not here to create a social media experience for you. We are social networking for you to be able to create your own apps. And hopefully that is clear enough for you guys as you're using the different modules and learning how to build your own app here. But other than that, the content reporting is pretty simple. Administrators, if you are the one designing the app, you have the ability to delete any type of content you come across. It doesn't matter who it is. And you also have the ability to switch between profiles if you need to for whatever reason. We highly encourage you not to switch between profiles just because you can. But one thing that you can do is offer that as a service to your members to say, run a connections service where you can go out and connect with other people who are maybe of the same profile type, live in the same area, things like that. Get creative with it. Maybe they're in similar groups, etc. You can go out and have your team run those connections, run that messaging, whatever it is you want to do by taking over their profile and doing it for them. Now, that does not give you the right to go out and post information as that user. In fact, what you'll do is you'll probably just discourage them from ever using your app again. So be smart with that. But as admin, you have full control over this app for a reason, so that you can better control the content that is inside of your app so that the users have the best experience possible. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the moderation. You also have here within your settings, one last thing for you to look at is privacy settings for each one of the users. So they can choose what they want to show to the network and what they don't. You have the ability as admin to change the visibility of these settings both on desktop and mobile. And then you also, inside of here, have the ability for your users to come in and send you feedback and to report bugs or to rate the app, and they can rate it within the App Store once you're published in the App Store. Okay? And that helps you have a better, moderation experience. And the last thing, you can manage your blocked members from here after you've blocked them inside of the platform. Once blocking, you will be, just like any other app, completely anonymous and disappear from their ability to be contacted, or for any other users or members' ability to contact you, vice versa. So that will completely block that relationship, but then you can come into the settings and manage that accordingly. So if you have any questions, let us know. For security reasons, we do have things like Face ID in here, etc., for you to use, which is kind of a moderation technique to keep people from logging into your app without your permission. So if you do turn on Face ID, even if they have the ability to, say, open up your app here and it's already pre-logged in, then you have to have a Face ID recognition hit you here in order for you to get into the app. Okay? So that's it for moderation, especially with member to member. If you have any questions, let us know. We're going to move on to the next lesson.